This cloud job is for infrastructure engineer in Woolworths Group in Sydney. It is a flexible role, and the main skills which you need would be around Azure, GCP, HashiCorp, and SecOps. Now, Woolworths is one of the biggest companies in Australia, and their work culture is pretty, how should I put it, fast-paced, and you need to be on your toes to deliver. Quite a good company with good remuneration all around, but still quite competitive environment. And their IT is currently in an exciting period of transformation and growth. So, and they always adopt the technologies quite early, especially they have done the Google and GCP thing quite early in Australia. So their infrastructure seems to be quite mature. So you need to be well versed with Google services, also some Azure stuff, especially around Azure DevOps, and also SecOps. As I said earlier, that a security first mindset is very crucial for any cloud engineering job, and this one is no exception. Not only that, but you should also be quite good in the HashiCorp's products like HashiCorp Vault and then Terraform, of course, Terraform Enterprise to be specific. DevOps is an integral part of this role, and as I mentioned earlier, they are quite flexible in terms of their work culture, and they encourage their team members to work in ways that meet their work-life commitments and support their well-being. So if you feel like it, go to Woolworth's website or even on LinkedIn and apply for this job. Thanks.